Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to remove all liked videos you have ever liked on YouTube. For example, if you have liked too many videos on YouTube and you want to delete them all at once, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router. And now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app. So here you have to simply check for that version. So you have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. So you have to simply open the app from here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to check for your like videos. So here you can simply find all of your like videos. So if you want to remove the like videos, you can simply see that the option is available, remove from like videos. But if you have too many like videos and you want to remove all of them, then what you have to do, you have to simply click on this settings icon here. And after that, you have to click on manage all history. And after that, you have to wait for some time so that a new kind of interface is available. So here you can simply search for the interactions. So here you can simply click on that view video likes and dislikes. So if you click on that and you want to delete all of the likes and dislikes, but there is no option available that you can simply delete all at once. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on view other activity after scrolling it down. And after that, you have to simply click on YouTube history and you have to click on manage activity here. And after that, you have to open your activity in your account. And after that, you can simply click on interactions here. And as you click on video likes and dislikes from here, then you will find the option of three dots here. So here you can simply find delete all. So here you can simply click on that and you will find delete your likes and dislike on YouTube activity from all time. So if you want to delete it, then you can simply select delete, and all of your likes and dislikes on YouTube you have ever liked will be deleted from here. So after that, you have to check after 24 hours, because it takes a lot of time if you have too many like videos. So in this way, you can simply delete all of your like videos on YouTube all at once. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.